Hello guys. Today I will show you how to add a reference photo in Krita for your digital paintings. One way to do it is adding a new file layer. Go to Layer section and click the arrow next to the plus button. Then click the Add File layer. We're going to select our reference photo from here. Select the photo and click Open. You can change the file layer's name here. There are 3 options for scaling. Let's try No Scaling. When you choose No Scaling, the reference photo will show up with its original size. We cannot resize the file layer with transform tools. We can only move the photo around. Let's try the second scaling option. Add a file layer again. Select the photo and choose Scale to Image Size. Again, it can't be transformed, but it can only be moved around. If you want to transform a file layer, you have to convert to the paint layer. To do that, right-click on the layer and Convert to Paint layer. When you try to move this layer out of the canvas, it will disappear. So, that brings us to the other way for adding a reference photo. Click the pin sign on the left. It's called Reference Images tool. Then click to Tool Options on the right. Click on the plus sign, i.e. Add Reference Photo. Select the image and click Open. Now you can move and transform the photo as you want. And most importantly, you can move it outside the canvas. You can change the opacity and saturation from the tool options. Lastly, when you want to draw on them for define the reference photo, you will see that you can only draw on the layer images. You can't draw on the reference image because it is not a layer. That's it guys. If you have questions, let me know on the comment. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you.